Start. In the first case, Bareilly versus Ting UKPC 21 Bus LR 1718, the liquidators of Akai Holdings Limited, which had collapsed into an insolvent winding up, wished to enter into a scheme of arrangement to obtain money to fund the liquidation stop. The scheme of arrangement needed shareholder approval, and Mr. Ting, Akai's former chairman and chief executive officer, held a crucial minority shareholding in Akai through Blossom Assets Limited and Costner Holdings Limited, by which he could block the scheme of arrangement stop. Mr. Ting failed to perform his duty as a former officer of Akai to assist the liquidators by proving information relevant to the winding up in the absence of adequate books and records of the company's affairs stop. He sought to use the votes of Blossom and Costner to block the scheme of arrangement, and he forged a document and procured the provision of false evidence to the liquidators in his opposition to the scheme stop. The liquidators objected to the votes which were purportedly cast by Blossom and Costner at the scheme meeting and applied to the court to disallow their votes stop. Mr. Ting and those companies opposed that application stop. When time was running out for the liquidators to meet a court deadline for approval of the scheme of arrangement, they entered into a settlement agreement with Mr. Ting, Blossom, Costner, and another company stop. In that agreement, the liquidator undertook not to pursue any claims against Mr. Ting or those companies and to cease all investigations relating to the legal proceedings or to claims against Mr. Ting stop. Thereupon, Mr. Ting and his companies dropped their opposition to the scheme, which was approved by the court stop. The scheme of arrangement was then completed, and the liquidators received the payment needed to conduct the liquidation stop, having later received reports from the Hong Kong police concerning criminal activity by Mr. Ting. The liquidators stated that they regarded the settlement agreement as unenforceable or voidable and commenced legal proceedings against him in Hong Kong for misappropriation of funds from Akai stop. Mr. Ting and his companies raised legal proceedings in Bermuda seeking a declaration that the settlement agreement was valid and an injunction to restrain the liquidators from prosecuting the proceedings in Hong Kong stop.